Welcome! This video demonstrates how to set up DC operating point simulation and time domain transient simulation in QUCS.
Starting in Main Dock, select Components, and then from the pull-down, select Simulation. Click and drag a DC simulation into the schematic. Right-click on the DC simulation block and select Edit Properties. You can set the temperature here as well as other properties. Reltol and Abstol are convergence settings that are also found in other simulators like SPICE. Click OK to close. To run the DC operating point simulation, go to the ribbon and click on the gear-looking icon. Close the display window that appears after the simulation. We'll put our results right on the schematic. Going back to Main Dock, notice how the pull-down selection changed to Diagrams. From the Diagrams list, drag a tabular diagram into the schematic. The Edit Diagram Property window appears. In the Diagram Properties, double-click on VL.V, the voltage across the inductor, VS.V, the DC source voltage, PR1.1, the inductor current, and ResCur, the resistor current. Click OK to close the Edit Properties window.
For detailed analysis of this DC circuit, please see our video, DCRL Resistor Inductor Circuits at DC.
Now we can resize our rectangular diagram. Click in the ribbon on the Select arrow, go back to the Tabular Diagram window and select it. Drag a corner to resize the diagram. Click in the schematic to get out of that resize and select mode. For the transient analysis, we go back to the Main Dock window. Select Components again. From the pull-down menu, select Simulations. Drag a transient simulation onto the schematic. Right-click and select Edit Properties. Here in the Sweep tab, change the stop time to 7 microseconds, 7U. Change the number to 201. Notice how the step adjusts automatically to the number that we specify. The choice of 201 rather than 200 just keeps the step to round numbers.
Question: does a transient analysis also do a DC analysis beforehand?
The answer is that you can choose. Going to the Properties tab, you can specify whether or not you want QUCS to run a DC analysis and whether you want QUCS to display the DC analysis value. Like Abstol and Reltol, mentioned previously, some of the integration methods shown here are also utilized in many simulators besides QUCS. Click OK to close the Properties window. Run the simulation. Close the Display window. From the main dock, Components, Diagrams window, drag a Cartesian diagram onto the schematic. In the Edit Diagram Properties window, double-click to select the signals vout.vt and v_lc.vt and click on OK to plot.
For good second-order RLC circuit theory technical background, please see this book, First and Second-Order Circuits and Equations.
Thank you for watching and learning with us.